tryna start. I say wrist on drip, ooh, fucking on a bitch. Pop a perky like a.
What up, guys? Today we're going to talk about curliers. So, my jog is fresh. So basically, they're not curly like mine, but people have been asking me, how do you do your curliers? So now, yo, I don't want to die, but yeah. So for the people that they are so lazy to go on down and search for it, yeah, sorry for that. But still, I love you, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is the video for you guys. Not like Friday. What do you think? From this double metro to bene. Qual é a diferença? I see you, bro. I see you. Bro, I see you. Diferença. Nanti ka saya tropa.
Ladies.
Okay. This is a place that you have to cut your hair. Like, it's left price £7 hairstyle, and you put some lines the way you want. They are nice and they are very friendly, and yeah, it's a good place. Yeah, trust.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
First of all, we're going to use this. So basically, we're going to use half of it. So this is the kind that you have to use. And first of all, before you start using that, you have to put this like from here to here. I'll be showing you very soon. That is the quantity you have to use, and you have to be putting around all your thing. Yeah, put it down on the hair as well. Yeah. Around of it, just around of it. You get from the point that it's gonna be itchy. So let me just tell you something. Like, this cream is very like spicy. Like, I mean, wow. Like, you get it only for 20 minutes, and yeah, we just finished putting the thing now from the sides, from the hairs. Now we're gonna use this. So basically now I'm gonna be doing this now. Nigga, you have to sit down.
Alright. I'm not taking a shit, guys. Just like
this is the quantity you have to put.
Yeah.
Good. You have to keep this for 20 minutes. Guys, I'm telling you, that 20 minutes, you're going to be suffering. My dude is going to feel it. You're going to feel it now very soon. Not now. Like, when you start getting to 5 minutes, bruh, trust me, this thing is painful. But that's the price to be beautiful, you know what I'm saying? To have curly hair, you know what I'm saying?
Whew.
You feeling it already?
Nah, bro.
Okay.
I'm just preparing myself.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Like, other people in the YouTube channel, they may do curly hair, but they don't show this part. They don't like, oh, I put some water, I put some soap. No, fuck that. Trust me, because I'm like showing you properly how you have to do it. From the beginning, like, how do you have curly? Because they don't show that part. They're like, oh, I have curly already, I have this and that. Oh, look, I just put water. No, they don't do that shit. They do this. Everybody that have curly, they all do this stuff before. So yeah. What are you waiting for? Eat that, like, you know what I'm saying? What are you Friday? Tell them.
Bro, it's not painful.
No. I mean,
What?
What does that say, Anaya?
What?
No!
What?
the like button.
Alright. You know what I'm saying? My man here. You need to follow him. I mean, really subscribe.
Yeah.
And click that like.
Yeah.
I mean what I'm saying.
You know what I'm saying?
Jeez.
Okay, so now I have to comb it. Bro, sorry if it's gonna be hot a bit.
Merda, sono stralunghi.
I know. Told you.
Tutto a posto?
Yep.
Sì, ti non serve che vieni qui.
Non lo sto uccidendo.
Avete fatto?
Aspetta. Okay, after you comb it, you have to have gloves. These gloves, because I'm about to like twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. As you can see, from before, the hair is more long than before now.
Jeez, man, they're like double.
Twist it, twist it, twist it. Yo, shouts out for him because the homie Friday, I'm in his house. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Young dude.
Oh my god.
For the back, and then for the front.
Everywhere.
As you can, you guys cannot feel it, but I can feel it, and it's very soft now. The hair on before is very soft, and yeah.
I like them like this.
As you can see the curlies that coming. Look, see the curlies. See, yeah. See the curlies.
Jeez. Man, my man is walking.
Might have to be serious, you know what I'm saying?
That's gonna look good.
You can definitely raise the phone for the. You can definitely see the curlies. Bend the phone a bit. You can definitely see the curlies now. See the curlies. From before they were not like this, but now you can see the curlies as well now.
They're coming out.
So now, yeah. So the cream can catch the hair. So now we're gonna wait for 20 minutes. It's gonna be like, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna be like,
Magic.
well, yo, comment and show the like button. You know what I'm saying? And subscribe. You know what I'm saying?
20 minutes later.
Un sapore qualsiasi, no?
Yeah, you can use any soap you want. Yeah, I forgot to say yeah. I don't think you can. Oh yeah. Don't think something's strange.
I know how to flush the toilet after they've had a shit. Well, it was fucking one of you. Disgusting!
No, se tu fai tipo destra sinistra.
Ah, perché ho lasciato crescere per tipo 2 o 3 minuti.
Vieni. Aspetta un attimo. Si deve essere incrociato un po' più. Perfetto. Qual è il shampoo qua?
Non ci vedo neanche.
Non ci vedi?
Cazzo di... Ah, ecco. No, questo guarda.
Giusto, abbiamo un problema.
Perché?
Shampoo.
Allora, non
You have to use this for
Aspetta,
shampoo.
aspetta. Titti.
sì, dove di là?
Tu lo tagli la parte. Non serve quindi asciugare.
Yeah. But the final see is how much? Bruh, wait. Wow, I couldn't see that. This is the amount that you have to put
Not too much.
every time.
Not too much. Profumo.
I'm sharing my secrets with you guys, man. So why don't you hit that subscribe button, like, and comment, and share.
I mean, you must.
For real. And if you want now, just
You know where you can find him.
just comment and if you have any question, and yeah, that's it. So we are finished here. Let me just clean up big man.
Fresh.
Sounds fresh.
Metti nel video.
Oh yeah, oh sorry. My bad. Yeah, can we give a round of applause to the editor, guys? Like, subscribe, comment, you know what I'm saying?
Anime don't know why you acting. Niggas be so fake like black girls with their tracks in. Or that nigga capping, where the fuck is you at? I'ma snap that nigga neck like we was Snapchatting. Ain't talking about tape, but I got retros on my feet. You niggas trash as fuck, none of you niggas can compete. Beat that nigga face and now it's purple like a beat. Run off with the second, now the mission is complete.